Hey guys, Dr. Jason Leindecker here, audiologist and owner of Audiology Concepts. New week and new tidbit from Audiology Concepts. A lot of patients come in and want to use their insurance benefits, and the first thing we'll start with just now is just recognizing hearing testing gets billed out to your insurance. All coding changed January 1st of this year. So there are new things out there. So if you've already had a hearing test this year and you've seen new billing codes or new things on there that you didn't have before, that's why they become a requirement and we have to follow the rules. So along those lines, one rule that has been around forever, and one of the things that I went to lobby in DC earlier this year on is the doctor's order. So if you have a Medicare or Medicare supplement and or Medicaid, it is a requirement that you have an order from your physician or PA to be able to get a hearing test covered in our office. So if you're on a private insurance or a Advantage plan, it is likely that there will be no issue getting coverage for your hearing testing. But if you are on traditional Medicare, it will require that order from your physician. So if you're looking to get your hearing tested this year, it might be a good idea if you're already seeing your physician to let them know and request that order to be sent over to Audiology Concepts. It's good for a year. And so then when you just have it out of the way before we have that time scheduled for your hearing test. I hope you're doing well and have a wonderful day. See you next week. Oh, on top of that, if you guys have a question, feel free to put it in this chat under this video, and I'd be happy to answer any of those major questions you might have. I just want to make sure you guys are informed when you walk in the door and feel comfortable knowing what's going to happen. So that would be one of our next steps is if you got a question about something specific, I'd be happy to answer it for you. Just type it in the chat below and we'll work on it. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.